Too good to be true. At all times, keep your hands and legs at your side. What? This rider's losing its juice. If you ain't prepared for lost life, please exit right. It only costs like 3 exit white for the shadow. Feelings that swimming through color, deep and through the shallow. Then burning it off like the lighter shade. Blended on my colors between dark.
What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to another video. So today, taking my car out to Irwindale. Why'd I open it again? Well, today we're taking my car out to Irwindale, see what kind of times it runs, and also, I got called out by an Integra. I believe it's fully bolt-ons, so we'll see how it goes, but I'm pretty excited to see what my car can do at the drag strip. There we go. Riding along with me is my girl. And my girl next to my other girl.
Started smoking, got down to business. DJ Isaac sent over the...
So what do you have done to it?
Cams, manifold, intake, the retainer kit, the springs, exhaust, header, and the ECUs upgraded with the 2-step.
Subaru?
A squirrel on the power line.
Oh, I thought you said Subaru. I was like...
The plans that set the record straight in motion, but don't mind the critics, cause their opinions don't mean shit to me. So I'm sorry if you're feeling outspoken, but how you supposed to make a difference without impacting the scene in the underground? Yeah. You know just who's the chosen.
Back down too. I like it, I see it. Back too, it's just badass too. Oh, it smells good.
Just don't fuck. I don't know. Like,
At the 330, so this between the 60 and the 330 you pass, and I just want to catch up.
Fuck, I'm not prepared.
the back seat.
Oh.
Who's got the annual pass holder?
Both of us.
Oh, my daughter's got it. We went Sunday. I had a blast.
Yeah, was it
That's awesome.
Everybody at Disneyland. Everybody was at California Adventure.
Oh yeah, because of the pier.
Our longest wait was 20 minutes.
Really?
Damn.
That's nice.
It was freaking awesome, man.
That sounds awesome.
Yeah.
Start recording now.
Fiesta 961 at 72 miles an hour. Little Ford Fiesta's a pair. Under the lights, Fiesta 961 at 72 miles an hour. Little Ford Fiesta's a pair. That plane was able to power out in front. It was 976 to 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, really good launch.
Huh?
You had a really good launch.
I couldn't catch this.
What?
Babe.
Picture your light times. Okay, I'm not recording that.
Y'all must have no fingertips if you say you ain't feeling me. For every moment that you carry, there's some type of realization. No matter where you go, you may find yourself mistaken. If you think you got it mastered down, you might as well turn back around when rappers make orgasmic sounds, cause really they be faking. But if you sleep when you dream, you should wake up for reality.
Oh, it's still night mode. So I was driving listening to music and my temperature on my phone goes up. It is currently 115 here in Fontana, and day after taking the Fiesta to the drag strip. I apologize for not being able to finish the vlog last night. went out to eat with my girl, and then just went home. And I was too tired to vlog, so just knocked out. And I worked in the morning, so just got out of work right now. Just ending the vlog right here for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'd say I have a lot of plans for the Fiesta, but I really don't. I think the most I'll go up to is stage 3 and pretty much do exterior mods to it, because this is my daily. This is the project, so most of my money is gonna be dumped into the truck. So sorry for like I look like shit. I'm pretty sure my head looks nasty. It's been a crazy day. I believe it was like 90 something at 8:30 a.m. Terrible. I'm pretty sure some of you guys live in hotter states like Arizona or something like that, and I think it gets like 120 over there, but that's crazy. Shout out to you guys that live out there. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out, everybody. TCB.